This video shows a step-by-step guide on how to request and create operational plans. Operational plans are used to allocate the resource time for operational work, such as administration, meetings, training, or leave. The first step is to log in to the PPS site. Click on the One Help Technician login link on the top right. Enter your Macquarie ID password and click Login to log on to PPS. In the Filter Navigator bar on the top left, type Operation and click on the Create New Operational Plan. You can add this selection to your favourite by clicking on the star icon. Complete all the required fields in the Resource Plan screen. You can select all members or specific members from the Members Preference field. If the All Members option is selected, the Resource Plan includes all members of the group. Time is equally divided among group members depending upon their capacity. If the Specific Member option is selected, a request is made for the specified members. The requested hours are proportionately split among specified users of the group based on their available capacity. For specific members, click on the lock button next to the members list. Now look up for specific members by clicking on the magnifying glass. You can now select the specific team member from the lookup list. Once the members are selected, complete the rest of the fields. The state now is in planning state. Click the Save button. The state now moves to the requested state. Check all the information and click the Allocate button. The state now moves from requested state to the allocated state. Click Complete once the allocation has been finalised. Once completed, no further changes are allowed. You can click on Open Resource Viewer to view the resource allocation.